Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Pahoa local and long-distance movers near me. Pahoa is a beautiful place situated in the Puna district of Hawaii County. With a population of mere 924 people, Pahoa is one of the most wonderful cities for raising a family. Are you planning to leave your beloved city to relocate to this peaceful place? Then look no further. 3 Movers at Pahoa, Hawaii will help you get relocated in the least possible time. We are professional moving and packing service providers who are well-versed with the streets of Pahoa. Our expert team members understand how difficult it can get to handle the packing and moving away all by yourself. We will arrive at your doorstep equipped with all the necessary tools to pack away your stuff. Why should you try 3 Movers for relocation? We are a trustworthy company who have been in the van line industry for many years. Here are some of the services that set us apart from the rest. Affordable prices. We offer our customers affordable prices and ensure that all your requirements are fully fulfilled. Licensed company. We are a licensed and insured company, so you do not have to worry about your belongings. Same-day moving. With 3 Movers, you can move into your new abode on the same day without hassle. Our professional team will help you move to your new location whenever you want. Reputed company. We have been in the moving industry for 20 years, and in these years, we have gained massive respect and built a reputation. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.